गुड इवनिंग बच्चों, ये वन शॉट रिवीजन वीडियो बनने जा रही है ग्रुप 18 के लिए, जिसमें एलिमेंट्स हैं हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टॉन, जेनॉन एंड रेडॉन। एज यूजुअल एटॉमिक नंबर 2, 8 ऐड कर दो 10, 10 में 8 ऐड कर दो तो 18, 18 में 18 ऐड करो तो 36, 36 में 18 ऐड करो 54, 54 में 32 ऐड करो तो 86। दिस वे यू कैन लर्न द एटॉमिक नंबर्स. General electronic configuration NS2 NP6. It's a quite stable electronic configuration. Octet complete hai. They have no tendency to gain or lose electron. Noble gases are inert, very high ionization energies. They are having zero या फिर large positive electron enthalpies, and they exist as monoatoms, means monoatomic gases. They are having weak van der Waals forces between atoms of noble gas configuration. They have very low melting and boiling point. Helium has lowest 4.2 Kelvin boiling point. They can't be easily liquefied. Boiling point and ease of liquefaction increases down the group due to increase in atomic size because of van der Waals forces, obviously. Then noble gases are not very reactive due to stable electronic configuration, NS2 NP6, very high ionization energy, and zero or the positive electron gain enthalpy. Talking about who prepared first noble gas compound, that was Neil Bartlett, and what he did, he took oxygen and treated it with platinum hexafluoride. He got this ionic compound O2 plus PtF6 minus. Oxygen and xenon have some similarities related to their sizes, so xenon and PtF6 can also react. Xenon PtF6 Xe प्लस एंड PtF6 माइनस, ऑरेंज येलो कलर का ही है, उसे कंपाउंड मिला था. नोबल गैस कंपाउंड्स की अगर बात की जाए तो xenon with oxygen and fluorine are known because xenon has lowest ionization energy and radon is radioactive. Oxygen and fluorine have large electronegativities. Compounds of krypton are very few, like KrF2 is only known to us. Compounds of xenon अगर देखा जाए तो xenon fluoride. How we prepare them? Xenon and fluorine in nickel vessel, 673 Kelvin temperature, 1 bar pressure. You are going to get XeF2 and its shape will be linear like this, and hybridization will be sp3d. And the most important reaction for xenon fluoride will be XeF2 2H2O will give you Xe 4HF and oxygen. XeF4, Xe plus 2F2 at 873 Kelvin temperature, 6 to 7 bar pressure, XeF4. And if we talk about the reaction, XeF4 plus 12H2O will give you 4Xe plus 24HF, 2XeO3 and 3O2. And the shape is going to be square planar, and hybridization is sp3d2. There is another compound is XeF6. When xenon reacts with fluorine, 3 moles of fluorine at 573 Kelvin temperature, 60 to 70 bar pressure, you are going to get XeF6. तो यहाँ पर एक लोन पेयर बचेगा. इसकी जो ज्योमेट्री है वो octahedral है. Hybridization is sp3d3. XeF6, when it reacts with 3 moles of water, you are going to get XeO3 and 6HF. XeF2 PF5 के साथ जब react करता है तो XeF plus and PF6 माइनस. XeF4 जब SbF5 के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो XeF3 प्लस एंड SbF6 माइनस. वी टॉक अबाउट xenon ऑक्साइड, देन xenon ट्राईऑक्साइड का बच्चों पिरामिडल जो है इसकी शेप बनेगी, एंड sp3 इसमें हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगी. XeO4 tetraoxide, then the shape is tetrahedral. Xenon oxyfluoride XeOF2, then it's going to be XeF4 water minus 80 degrees Celsius, XeOF2 plus 2HF, slow and partial hydrolysis. XeOF4, then it is going to be XeF6 water, XeOF4 and 2HF. Then this is XeOF2, 2 lone pairs. टी शेप होती है, sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होता है एंड पार्शियल हाइड्रोलिसिस होता है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट XeOF4, देन इट इज गोइंग टू बी स्क्वायर पिरामिडल, राइट, एंड हाइब्रिडाइजेशन विल बी sp3d2. रिएक्शंस आर गोइंग टू बी XeOF4 वाटर, XeO2F2 and 2HF. XeO2F2 water, you are going to get XeO3 and 2HF. Another compound is XeO2F2, XeO3, XeOF4. At 78 degrees Celsius, you are going to get 2 XeO2F2. Reaction is XeO2F2 water, XeO3 and 2HF. This is going to be their structure, and most commonly question asked in board exams is write the uses of noble gases.